Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kabir Aziz Baharuddin. My metric number is B1B01181037. So today I would like to present about my industrial training. So my industry supervisor is IRTS Muhammad Afizuddin bin Ismail, Encik Hafiz from TRMS company, and my faculty supervisor is Dr. Saifulzah bin Alwi from FKE UTM. So the content of my slide is company backgrounds, objective of industrial training, maintenance department, scope of activity, and the last one is conclusion. So we go through one by one. So the first one is about company background. So my internship is with TRMS Engineering Company. So this is about company background. It was established by the principal himself, Dato IR Haji Tajuddin bin Romli. Established in 2000, an electrical and mechanical engineering service company, Class A electrical contractor, 132 kilovolt electrical service contractor. So the next one is the address. This company office is at Masjid Tanah. If you can see the address, SU 986 Jalan Bandar Baru 9, Pusat Perniagaan Bandar Baru, Masjid Tanah at Melaka. So this company also offer service is electrical system maintenance service, electrical supervising service inspection, electrical system testing and commissioning, electrical consultancy, electrical system audits and consultancy, electrical reliability improvement, study batteries, chargers and UPS system installation and supply, cathodic protection system design, audit and maintenance, earthing, surge and lightning protection study and installation, hazardous area conformance audit, and last one is training of electrical personnel, manpower and material supply. So this company, TRMS Engineering, also act as an agent for steam turbines and uninterruptible power supply. So this company, TRMS company, act as an agent for Shin Nippon Machine from Japan, that is steam turbine company. And the second one is this company as also an agent for Stetron AG from Switzerland, that is uninterruptible power supply company. So this is the objective of industrial training. This objective of industrial training is to provide opportunities for students to learn, observe, and apply their theoretical knowledge and skill at industrial place, to expose students to the real working environment, to help students improve their marketability after graduation, to provide pre-professional experience with specific tasks and responsibilities, to encourage personal career interests among students and serve as a bridge of connection between the university and the world of work. So my internship in this company, TRMS company, my department is maintenance department. It's also electrical maintenance department. So this department to ensure that production of machine, utilities and related facilities achieve maximum efficiency and availability at the best cost and with satisfactory quality, safety and environmental protection. Carry out emergency maintenance and on the machine in time to ensure the best production availability. It also responsible for installing and ensuring proper maintenance of electrical equipment for a building or other type of facility. Job duties often include planning and installing electrical system, performing and overseeing, servicing and managing tools and equipment. So the next one is scope of activity for my internship in TRMS engineering. So during my duration of 10 weeks for industrial training, um, I was placed under Encik Hafiz bin Ismail. However, due to pandemic COVID-19, RMS Engineering had proposed training program in mode work from home. Proposal for UTM industrial training program has been proposed. So, if you can see, this is a proposal for my industrial training program. Mostly my training program activity in online mode using Microsoft Team, and we got all the assignment through by email. So this is the second page, and the next one is our assignment. This is the example one of our assignment we get. So this assignment about Electricity Supply Acts and Regulation. That is Akta Bekalan Elektrik. So the second one is our assignment 2. This is about judgment. We need to know about eligibility to become a judgment. So we can see if we want to become a judgment, he is a Malaysian citizen, not less than 20 years of age, has the suitable educational qualification to be determined by the commission. He has not less than 3 years working experience in an environment where electrical equipment is in operation and has had experience of controlling live equipment. He also able to speak and write in the national language and able to comply with any other conditions as the commission deems necessary. So this is one of our assignment. We got during my internship, we got many of assignment like about transformer, relay, wire, circuit breaker, but I just show two of our assignment. So during my internship program, we just do the activity during online class, but we also get the chance to visit physical attempt. So this is the picture pencawang masuk UTM, PMU UTM. We visit to pencawang masuk UTM, and the first pitch is PMU UTM, and the second pitch is 33 kilovolt transformer. Switch gear. And this is our second visit to UTM. During this day, we go to the FKE substation. We visit to FKE substation. The first pitch is 11 kilovolt ring main unit at FKE substation, and the second pitch is cast resin transformer, and the third pitch is myself in FKE substation. So we also get a chance to visit to our internship company, that is TRMS Engineering Company. So this office address at Masjid Tanah Melaka. You can see the address, Jalan Bandar Baru 9, Pusat Perniagaan Bandar Baru, Masjid Tanah Melaka. So during that day, we got many explanation from our managing director and our supervisor. So the first speech is our managing director, Encik Tajuddin. He explained about electric maintenance, how to do, and the demo about the tools. So the second pitch is our industry supervisor, Encik Hafiz. He also give explanation and demonstrate the tools about service and maintenance work. And also we get the explanation about circuit breaker, that is MCB, SCB and VCB. And the third pitch is our picture with managing director and faculty supervisor. So this is the last slide, that is conclusion. In a nutshell, for this past 10 weeks of industrial training at TRMS Engineering Sdn Bhd, this internship has been an excellent and rewarding experience. I can conclude that there have been a lot I have learned from my works. Needless to say, the technical and theoretical aspect of the work I have done are not flawless and could be improved provided enough time. As someone with no prior experience with those all electrical service and maintenance as had mentioned, the main things that I have learned are the importance of social skill, self-motivation, and courage to learn everything that used to us. That's all from me. Thank you.